Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 21 from chapter solids. So starting with question number 12. The external dimensions of a closed wooden box are 27 centimeter, 19 centimeter and 11 centimeter. If the thickness of the wood in the box is 1.5 centimeter, find first part volume of the wood in the box. Second part, the cost of the box if wood costs rupees 1.20 per cubic centimeter. Third part, number of 4 centimeter cubes that could be placed into the box. So there is a closed wooden box and the external dimensions of this closed wooden box are given. External dimensions means external length, external breadth and external height is given. Okay, so external dimensions are 27, 19 and 11. First one is length, second one is breadth and third one is height. Okay, so length, breadth and height. External length, external breadth and external height is given to us. So there is a wooden box. First we'll see how to solve, students. Okay, then we'll solve with proper steps. There's a wooden box and for the wooden box we are given external length, external breadth and external height. Okay, external length, breadth and height and internal length, breadth and height will be different because if the thickness of the wood in the box is 1.5 centimeter, there is some thickness of the wood, so internal length, breadth and height will be different from the external length, breadth and height. Okay, so thickness of the wood is given. Thickness of the wood is 1.5 centimeter. So what will be the internal length, internal breadth and internal height? Let's understand. There's a wooden box, okay, cuboid shaped box here. Okay, so length, breadth and height is given to us. Length, okay, this will be the length. So length ये हो गया यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. External length, this is the external length of the box, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. Breadth यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. ठीक है, so breadth is this much and length is this much. All right, and it has some height. Okay, so this is the height. So external dimensions we know, length, breadth and height, it is given to us. Okay, internal length, breadth and height, for which we need to consider the thickness of the box. Okay, so there is a wooden box and it has some thickness. You can see the thickness is given as 1.5 centimeter. So thickness is 1.5 centimeter. Now let's see what will be the internal length, internal breadth and internal height. Length is this longest side, right? Internal length you can see यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है, right? From here to here. So 1.5 thickness you need to subtract from left as well as right, right? So outer length you can see from here to here. Inner length, internal length, it is from here to here. तो ये इतना thickness मुझे subtract करना है, right? From left as well as right. So 1.5 I need to subtract twice to find out the internal length. Right, this 1.5 thickness and this 1.5 thickness I need to subtract twice to find out internal length. So external length is 27. 27 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. It will be 27 minus 1.5 minus 1.5, that is minus 3. Right, minus 3 हो जाएगा. So 27 minus 3, that will give 24 centimeter. Right. Same logic for breadth and height. Now when you are considering breadth is this, right? This end to this end. So breadth के लिए again the same thing. You can see internal breadth. For that you need to subtract this much thickness and this much thickness, right? So if I consider the breadth, तो यहाँ से 1.5 subtract करना है, यहाँ से 1.5. राइट या फिर यहाँ से कंसिडर करो ये ब्रेथ सेम ही है, इतना ये ब्रेथ एंड ये ब्रेथ सेम ही है. सो 1.5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है फ्रॉम द आउटर ब्रेथ, राइट? सो अगेन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 1.5 ट्वाइस. सो 19 minus 1.5 minus 1.5, that is minus 3. 19 minus 3 will give 16, right? Height of the box, internal height of the box. External height I know, external height दिया है, right? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है. But same thing again, अंदर में जो height होगा, okay? This wood has some thickness. So 1.5 centimeter thickness है. So you need to subtract the thickness 1.5 from top and 1.5 from bottom. So 1.5, 1.5. Twice you will subtract, right? So height is 11 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. That is 11 minus 3. That will give 8. Right? So I know for the wooden box what are the external dimensions. I also know the internal dimensions. Internal length, breadth and height. We need to find out the volume of the wood required to make this box. This box is empty from inside, right? But this wood has some thickness which is given to us. So what is the volume of the wood required to make this box? It is very easy to find out. We know the external dimensions, we know the internal dimensions. So we can easily find out the external volume and internal volume. What will be the external volume of the box? Capital L into capital B into capital H, right? Volume of the cuboid, this is a cuboid. Volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height, right? So external dimensions, right? So we know the value of length, breadth and height. We can easily put and find out the external volume, right? Find out कर सकते हैं. Same way internal volume, it will be small l into small b into small h. So I can easily find out the value. External volume minus internal volume, बाहर का जितना भी वॉल्यूम है minus the internal volume will give me the volume of the wood required to make the box. Okay, so external volume minus internal volume will give me the volume required to make the box, that is the volume of the wood. Okay, so volume of wood required to make the box is nothing but the external volume minus the internal volume. Okay, so external volume मिल जाएगा, internal volume मिल जाएगा, subtract करके I can easily find out the volume of the wood required. Once we get the first part, second part is also very easy. Cost of the box if wood costs rupees 1.20 per cubic centimeter. So cost per cubic centimeter is given. 1 cubic centimeter का cost दिया हुआ है, it is 1.20 rupees 1.20, that is rupees 1.2. Okay, so what will be the total cost of the wood required? It is nothing but cost per cubic centimeter into the volume of the wood. जो भी volume मिलेगा into the cost. Very easy. So it will be nothing but volume of the wood into the cost per cubic centimeter. So extremely easy. Alright. So first and second part के लिए पहले solve करते हैं. Then we'll see how to solve for the third part. Alright. For the wooden box, external dimensions we are taking as capital L, capital B and capital H, and internal dimensions we are taking as small l, small b and small h. So write down, let the external dimensions be capital L centimeter, capital B centimeter and capital H centimeter. Okay, centimeter में दिया हुआ है, so don't forget to write down units. Let the internal dimensions be small l, small b and small h, again in centimeter. Okay, so therefore we have capital L as 27, capital B as 19, and capital H as 11, right? Thickness of the wood is given. Thickness of the wood 1.5 centimeter. So therefore I can say small l is capital L minus 1.5 minus 1.5, that is minus 3. Okay, so it is 27 minus 3, which is 24 centimeter, right? Same way, B will be equal to capital B minus 1.5 minus 1.5, that is 19 minus 3, that is 16 centimeter. And H is capital H minus 1.5 minus 1.5, H का value है 11 minus 3, that is 8. Okay. So now we can easily find out the external volume and internal volume, right? So write down external volume of the box. It is a cuboid shaped box, so it will be L into B into H, right, which is equal to 27 into 19 into 11. So let's find out the value. This will be 5643 cubic centimeter, right? 3-dimensional है, so cubic centimeter हो जाएगा. All right, I have not done the working, I have directly found the answer in calculator. Okay students, you have to do the working. So internal volume अब find out करते हैं. Internal volume of the box, it will be small l into small b into small h, that will be 24 into 16 into 8. Again I am finding the answer in calculator, you have to do the working. This is 3072 cubic centimeter, again 3-dimensional. Okay, so external volume मिल गया, internal volume मिल गया, अब subtract करते हैं. Okay, and let's find out the volume of the wood in the box. So for first part, volume of the wood in the box. For volume of the wood in the box, we have external volume, we have internal volume, we just need to subtract it. Okay, so write down external volume of the box minus internal volume of the box. जो भी external volume है and internal volume है, दोनों को subtract करेंगे. जितना भी external volume है उसमें से internal volume subtract करेंगे, then you will get the remaining part, right? That is the wood required to make the box. So external volume का value 5643, internal volume का value 3072. So 5643 minus 3072, 1752. So 2571 cubic centimeter. Okay, don't forget the unit. So box कर दो आंसर को. Volume of the wood in the box is 2571 cubic centimeter. All right, second part, we need to find out the cost of the box. We need to find out the cost of the box if wood costs rupees 1.20 per cubic centimeter. So cost of wood per cubic centimeter, it is rupees 1.20. So total cost of wood required, total cost of the wood required to make the box क्या हो जाएगा? It will be the cost of the wood per cubic centimeter into the volume of the wood, right? इतना volume का कितना cost होगा? It will be the volume into the cost. So write down it is volume of the wood into cost per cubic centimeter. Volume is 2571. Cost is 1.20. So let's find out. 2571 into 1.20 है. Okay, so let's consider 12 only for now. ठीक है, 0 को भी अभी भूल जाओ. So 12 से multiply करते हैं. If you want, you can multiply by 120. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10 plus 1 11 and 5, right? And 1752. So 25803. 12 नहीं था, 1.20 था, right? So 1.20 3085.20 हो जाएगा, right? So 3085.20, right? We did not consider the 0 over here, students. Okay, so basically we just multiplied by 1.2. तो एक नंबर, एक डेसिमल, एक डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है. सो एक डिजिट के बाद ही डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, एक डिजिट के बाद ही डेसिमल पॉइंट पुट करेंगे. 0 तो मैंने बाद में ऐड किया, राइट? इसके बाद कितने भी जीरोस पुट करो, इट डज नॉट मैटर, राइट? So 3085.20. Normally we write down 0.20 to denote पैसे. ठीक है, so it is the total costing. Don't forget rupee का symbol. So rupees 3085.20. Alright, this is the total cost for the wood required to make the box. For third part, we need to find out the number of 4 centimeter cubes that could be placed into the box. So there is this same wooden box and 4 centimeter cubes are to be placed inside this box. How many such cubes we can place inside these box, we need to find out. Inside the box place कर रहे हैं, so you will consider internal volume, not external volume. Okay, so box का internal volume comes into the picture. Let's say these are perfect 4 centimeter cubes. Just assume कि ये 4 centimeter cubes है. So I need to place 4 centimeter cubes inside this box. 4 centimeter cube, 4 centimeter cube, ऐसे identical boxes I need to place. So I need to place inside the box. Okay. How many such cubes I'll be able to place inside this box? For this cube has some volume. It is occupying some volume, right? So यही वॉल्यूम अंदर में ऑक्यूपाई करेगा, राइट? दिस बॉक्स हैज सम इंटरनल वॉल्यूम. वी विल कंसिडर इंटरनल वॉल्यूम ओनली बिकॉज अंदर का वॉल्यूम कंसिडर करेंगे, उसी में प्लेस करना है ये क्यूब्स को, राइट? सो बेसिकली द टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स दैट आई कैन प्लेस इनसाइड, it will occupy the internal volume of the box, right? ऐसे एक के ऊपर एक भी मैं ऐसे प्लेस कर सकती हूँ. सो कितने प्लेस कर सकती हूँ मैं टोटल? ओके, सो वॉल्यूम, द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब्स इज इक्वल टू द इंटरनल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बॉक्स. ये एक एक क्यूब का जितना भी वॉल्यूम है, ऐसे कितने सारे क्यूब्स लगेंगे, ठीक है? सो टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब्स, दैट इज ये एक वॉल्यूम, एक क्यूब का वॉल्यूम, ये क्यूब का वॉल्यूम सारे ऐड करेंगे. ओके, सबका वॉल्यूम इक्वल होगा. सो टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब्स विल बी इक्वल टू द इंटरनल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बॉक्स, राइट? यू आर प्लेसिंग इनसाइड द बॉक्स. सो very easy. Total volume of the cubes is equal to the internal volume of the box, right? Because you're placing inside, so internal volume comes into the picture. Okay, total volume of cubes क्या होगा? It is, let's say n number of cubes है. We don't know how many cubes are there, we need to find out, right? n number of cubes है into the volume of one cube, because each cube will have same volume. हर एक क्यूब का सेम साइड है, ठीक है? 4 सेंटीमीटर साइड है. Now, what is the volume of cube? It is side cube, right? It is side cube. So side is 4 centimeter, 4 cube. 4 का cube, that will be 64. राइट। सो एक क्यूब का वॉल्यूम 64 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर है, ऐसे n क्यूब्स प्लेस कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो n क्यूब्स इनटू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वन क्यूब will be equal to the internal volume. Internal volume is L into B into H, right? So small l, small b, small h. Very sorry. वैल्यूज पता है मुझको, वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे। इंटरनल लेंथ वी गॉट एज 27 minus 3 24, ब्रेथ एज 16 एंड हाइट एज 8, राइट। सो ये सॉल्व करेंगे एंड n का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे। I repeat students, total volume of the cubes is equal to the internal volume of the box. जितना भी cubes place कर रहे हैं, it is occupying the total internal volume of the box, right? So total volume will be equal to the internal volume. Total volume of cubes. Now each cube has same volume. Okay, so अगर दो cube है तो 2 into the volume of one cube. तीन cubes है तो 3 into the volume of one cube. So ऐसे n cubes है, so n into the volume of one cube, it is equal to the internal volume. Internal volume, I know the internal dimensions. Then n into the volume of one cube. I can easily find out volume of each cube because I'm given the side over here. Okay. So 4 centimeter cubes hai, side cube that is 4 cubes, so 64. n into 64 is equal to this. Solve karenge, n ka value find out karenge, that is number of the cubes. Now for each cube, we are given the side. Okay, side is denoted by a, ठीक है, or you can just write down side is equal to 4 centimeter, your wish. So for each cube, side is given to us. So volume of each cube or one cube will be equal to a cube, that is 4 cube, which is 64 cubic centimeter. Don't forget the unit. Now let's say that n number of cubes are required to place inside the box, ठीक है। So let n number of cubes can be placed inside the wooden box. So total volume of cubes, it will be equal to the number of cubes into volume of each cube, right? Number of cubes is n, volume of each cube is 64. Okay, this will be equal to the internal volume of the wooden box because we are placing it inside the box. Internal volume occupy कर रहा है. So internal volume of the box we had already found, right? Internal volume of the box we had already found, but don't put the value. यहाँ पे cancellations होगा, 64 के साथ cancellations होगा. You can put the value directly, फिर भी cancel कर सकते हो. I am putting the individual values, the individual dimensions. So that we got as 24, 16 and 8, right? So this is the internal volume. Both are equal. So total volume of the cubes is equal to the internal volume of the box. I am not writing down the full thing, ठीक है? Total volume n into 64, internal volume 24 into 16 into 8. Okay, 64 को शिफ्ट कर दे है, 24 into 16 into 8 upon 64. 16 4s are 64, 4 2s are 24 into 2, that is 48. So n मिल गया, n is equal to 48. बॉक्स कर दो आंसर को. Total number of cubes that can be placed inside the box are 48. So write down the final statement after this. Box कर दो and इसके बाद statement लिख दो. Number of 4 centimeter cubes that could be placed into the box are 48. Okay, so don't forget the final statement.